If you are out here making money without a registered business, you are leaving yourself completely unprotected. And today, we are fixing that. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you are going to know exactly how to structure and register your business the right way. Before you fill out a single form, you need to make one decision first: your business structure. This affects your taxes, your liability, how you pay yourself, and how you grow. Let's break it down. A sole proprietorship is the simplest, but there's zero liability protection, meaning your personal assets are on the line. An LLC separates you from your business legally, protects your personal assets, and is taken seriously by banks and clients. If you are a coach, consultant, service provider, or digital product seller, this is your move. An S Corp is something you grow into once you're consistently profiting $50,000 or more. It saves you on self-employment taxes, but comes with more requirements. A C Corp is for large businesses seeking investors, so skip it for now. Most of you need to start with an LLC, period. Now, before you fall in love with your business name, make sure it's available. Check your state's Secretary of State website. Search the Federal Trademark Database at tmsearch.uspto.gov and confirm your domain and social handles are available using NameCheck. If you want to operate under a different name than your legal registered name, file a DBA with your county clerk. To register your LLC, go to your state's Secretary of State website, file your articles of organization, appoint a registered agent, pay your filing fee, and save your certificate of organization because you will need it. Most states let you do this online in under 20 minutes. Do not overthink it, and set a reminder to file your annual report every single year because missing it can get your LLC dissolved by the state. If this helped you, save this video because you are going to come back to it. Share it with a friend who is still operating without a business structure because she needs to see this too. And if you are ready to go deeper, the full business registration guide is inside the Digital Aura School community where I walk you through everything step by step. Drop your questions in the comments. I read every single one. And don't forget to subscribe because every week I am dropping content to help you build your business the smart way. I'll see you in the next one.